We gonna make it. Whatever the mountain in our way, we gonna face it
and move it, yeah.
Ooh, we gonna make it, yeah. Inspiring, informing you, encouraging. Connect with me and together we will see that we gonna make it, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, we gonna make it. Alright, hey there, I'm just tapping in real quick this evening. I just want to show you guys what we got cooking in the kitchen because it is amazing and I'm excited.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, so anyway, I'm having dinner and it's amazing. My sister made some wonderful food. It's delicious. It is putting me back on track to my non-meat schedule because before I went to America a few months ago, I was not eating meat, I was not eating bread and all of these extras. I was just eating fruits and vegetables, period, point blank. Oh, also some pulses like lentils and things like that. But I'm just coming at you just short here, just a short quick video here because I'm so excited at how this food tastes. It tastes wonderful. Like I don't crave anything else. I don't crave meat when I'm eating this. I don't crave anything and the flavors are just so full. So I'm gonna do it real short and then we'll do an elongated video so that she can just show us how she made it and we'll just do a whole video like that. But anyway, let's check it out. Dede.
Hi.
Hi, Dede.
Hi.
Okay, so I see here, I'm gonna come in close and I see here you're making these fixings. What are these fixings for?
Okay, this is red onions and darna black olives.
Black olives.
And darna green olive.
Okay, cool.
And there are going to be garnishes on top of the soup. And yeah, so I'm pitting them right now. I'm cutting them on the perimeter.
Okay, so the soup, that's what I'm in here for.
Yes.
That's what you made.
Yes.
Now, if you can tell me real quick just what is the soup and show me the ingredients.
Okay.
So
okay.
the folks
See if I
can see what you got.
Okay. Let's see. Well, I guess we'll start with this one.
Yep.
Now this is squash.
Yep.
Green squash. This is red bell pepper. There's also yellow bell pepper.
Red and yellow bells.
I have cabbage. There's a bigger piece. Cabbage.
You just touched it.
I'm gonna eat that one. Okay. There's kale. Lots of kale. What else is in here? Oh, I have my bay leaf.
Okay.
I also put oregano in here. And plenty of dill. Plenty of dill. Fresh dill. Fresh dill. Yes, very important. And string beans.
Okay.
String beans. Yes. And there's a little bit of okra in here, but I re-cooked to add to it and made a fresh side dish, so to speak, of okra. That's right here.
Ooh,
and also
okra, ladies and gentlemen.
You can see the dill there on top of the squash. I have some squash in there, and a little bit of eggplant.
Eggplant.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
And I seasoned it with turmeric, onion powder, garlic. Oh, that's also in that one over there too. And salt.
Turmeric, onion powder, garlic, salt.
Oregano.
Ooh, yes.
Yes. And just let this cook for a nice time so it can get nice and soft. And then you see the seeds burst out, and then they create this nice little how do I say it?
Slurry.
Yeah, it's kind of a I don't know how to say it. Almost, I want to say syrupy. The juice from the okra, yeah, it spills out and it's kind of almost slimy, but it's more syrupy. Like, I don't want to say slime because that sounds nasty, but it tastes good and it agrees very well with the dill flavor. The okra agrees very well with dill, the flavor.
Ooh.
Yeah, so it's good. And then this one here.
Okay. Whoa, what we got here?
This is cauliflower.
Okay.
But this particular cauliflower has a natural buttery flavor to it that I like a lot.
That's true.
And I don't have to put no butter on it. It's naturally tasty, and you can smell it even before you cook it. You can smell it.
It smells nice.
Yeah. And then so of course I had to put dill on it again. I put dill in there. I forgot to mention I put onions. And green onions are in both of these dishes I showed you earlier.
Oh, nice.
Yes, so plenty of green onion and fresh grated garlic also.
Ooh.
Yes, mix it in there and then throw it in. And the order of it is such that when you put certain things in at certain intervals throughout the cooking, it enhances it, and that's important. And I forgot one other thing that I didn't mention was celery leaves and
parsley? No.
No, I've done parsley before, but not this time. But celery leaves and cilantro. And you want to throw cilantro in kind of at the last minute because you want it to have that fresh.
Yes. Yeah, that cilantro was bomb. I can taste it all at the end. It's just that burst of freshness, and it's delicious.
Yeah.
So what we'll do is I'm gonna make y'all, I'm saying I'm gonna make. I done made myself a bowl here, and she kind of showed me how I should make the bowl. And look at that! Isn't it beautiful? Like the colors are nice. And you can almost taste it just by looking at it. There's Guatemala olives, like she said, and she sliced up some onions and threw it over the top for me, and then just put some juice over the top for me. And I had this one time, which was last night.
Yeah, last night.
And I made me some lentils. Listen, I made me some lentils, and I profaned those lentils. I was like, forget those lentils. The wheat lentils.
You can be from that.
Forgive me. I was mad at my lentils after I tasted this. I was like, ain't nobody got time for you. No, we're not discussing it. It's not up for discussion. I'm eating this food and I'm not eating you lentils. So then she gave me the idea to freeze it. So I went ahead and froze my lentils. And God knows when I'm going to eat them. But I got this right, y'all. So, yeah, we got time to think about it.
You could also do green ones. I throw those in a little bit, but they're not as exciting as the dark brown.
I can also put the green olives on top. Yeah, I could. And I did last night. And it gives a nice Mediterranean kind of a robust flavor. But I'm going to stick with the purple tonight. Then maybe tomorrow night I'll go in with the green.
Yeah, very commanding, the dark.
Yeah, so listen, y'all. Listen. I'm so thankful. I knew that when I came back home, I knew that there was going to be this like gradual come down from junk food and stuff. And I knew that the Most High would grace me at a certain time to be like, you're done, okay? And I would feel that inside. I'd be like, I'm done, And one of them was just like the cutoff from meat, and that had already happened a few weeks ago. And then now it's going to be my cutoff from bread because I can't do bread. Bread doesn't really, the yeast doesn't really suit well with my body. I know it. I feel some changes. So anyway, here we are. This is grace number 2. This meal that has sealed the deal for me, and I'm getting back into just fruits, vegetables, pulses, beans, that is, and nothing more. So I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for joining us. I want to thank my sister for hooking me up. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And we'll do a video showing you how she makes it, like the process and the steps and stuff. So cool, guys. Just want to say, you know, thanks for rocking. Thanks for showing up and being present. And we want to let you know that wherever you are on your journey to destiny, you, me, yeah, we gonna make it. Peace.
Okay, this is red onions and avocados. I don't know what kind they are. Darn up red avocado.
I'll say it again. It's
red onions and olives.